Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to go over two new Linux commands. We're going to go over the touch command and the remove command. So let's start by doing a quick ls. Those are my current directory that I have on my user. Let's make a new one. Okay, dir, and we're going to call it test. Enter. If we do ls, you can see the test directory I just created. Let's go inside. cd test. I'm inside. Let's do the ls. As you can see, the directory is empty, and this is where I'm going to introduce you to the touch command. So let's create a file. Touch hello.txt. Press enter. If we do ls, you can see the new file I just created. Let's create another one. Touch hello to that txt. Enter. Let's clear this up and let's do ls. And now we have two new files. Let's delete one of them, and this is where I'm going to introduce you to the rm command. So rm space hello to that txt, and I'm going to delete the hello2 file. Enter. If we do ls, now I'll have the original file that I just created. So let's go back to the home user directory. For that, we're going to use cd no spaces, cd space and I'm back. Let's do ls. So let's try to delete now the test directory I created. And for that, we're going to go rm, the name of the directory, which is test, enter, and I did that on purpose. The reason why I get an error is because I need to use a flag. We're going to use the -r flag. That command is very dangerous, so be careful, because that command allows you to remove directory with file inside. So you want to know what you're really doing before you use it. So I know there's nothing important inside the test directory, just a dummy file that we created for this video. So let's remove it. rm -r test, enter. We do ls, and it's gone. It's gone forever. Again, be very careful using the remove command. You don't want to delete something that compromises your system. This is all for now. If you like this video, please give it a like, and why not? If you really like this video and you want to see more videos, subscribe. See you next time. Thank you for watching.